Hi Paul, Josh at Encore with the bumper I've got ready for you and want you to consider. I don't recall if I pulled this off a vehicle here, if I purchased this elsewhere, but I've looked it over really well, and other than the molding area where the paint is gone, the black paint is gone, and it's gotten a little rough, and the fact that I think it's on its second coat of paint, it looks like there's some silver underneath here with white on top, and it's cracked. The paint is cracked in many spots. Other than that, the shape is really good. It did have a license plate bracket on it, so there's the holes for that. But I don't see any other cracks, rips, tears, any other damage. It's a little overcast today, but what I like to do on my own is hold these up to the sunlight. See if there was any cracks or holes or any flaws with it. I don't see any repair work has ever been done on it. It just appears to be a really nice bumper. So I'm going to go over it kind of generally here, and then I'll go down with a fine-tooth comb just so I can get your approval and get it shipped out. Like I said, the license plate holes there. Back to the back side here. It is an original Ford bumper. I know where to look, especially with a bumper that has no headlight support. I know to look to see if they've ever been cracked in these corners, just from in my warehouse or in their travels here. And like I've been saying, it's in really good shape. I haven't seen any cracks or damage. If I find any, it's going to be during this video, because I've been over this a few times and have not seen anything. I did scrub it down. I washed it just to make sure that the dirt wasn't hiding any, like little, Bondo areas or cracks of any kind. So the shape is really good of the grill too. It's just when I get to the other side, you'll see the roughness to where the black was and is no longer there. But all along the bottom, all these mounting areas are intact, not ripped. Inside these grills here, they're all sturdy, not cracked, not broken, not repaired. The mount areas for the headlight separators are good. I check inside here. I did notice the paint is cracked, I think on the other side as well, but not the bumper. You'd see it. It's too thick to be cracked through there. It's just this paint. But I know to look there. I've dealt with a lot of these and know where to look. Same thing here, where it looks like the bumper's cracked. It's not. It's just the paint. And that's really the only thing that it's kind of a downer with this. It's just got two coats of paint you'll have to work with. But as far as shape and condition, it's right on the top shelf. Parking light holes are straight and good, not torn or ripped of any kind. Inside this corner, same thing on this corner. It's not the bumper that's cracked, it's just the paint. All these mounting areas are good. Right inside this jam here, I look, not torn. And then the parking light holes we'll look at, and then just kind of some close-ups of the actual bumper. So these are good. I would have seen them from the back if there were any issues, but yeah, it might even be on its third coat of paint. There's some black up here and silver on the side. I don't know. Maybe it was a two-tone car. There's a little bit of wear right here, probably from just being kicked around. There's a shot up and down it. You can see it's in good shape. Couple small waves. I think there was one right here I was trying to get out before I even showed this to you with a heat gun. I figured, it's going to bounce around in shipping anyway. It's freezing here in Chicago today, so we'll let it get to your place and take care of any minor imperfections that are there. Parking light holes are good, just this, it's more rough in some areas than others. Like right here, it's fine. Where the paint still is, it's very smooth. But in some areas through here and on the grill, it's very rough. It's a shame it's so overcast. but you can see it. But only on the black areas, through the grill. Those are good. Yeah, so there's like a silver paint there. Silver paint. So I know you already saw one picture of it and said you liked it. I'm trying to be pretty thorough here, and this also is in case there was any damage in shipping, we can say that we documented what it was like before it left. Oops. So there you go. Let me know what you think now that you've seen 360 degrees of it, and I'll get it back in the shop here and get some boxes together, because I'm pretty sure this will be a good one. But thank you for being so patient with me, and look forward to getting this coming your way. Thanks.